Kie had a system. And Luna was at the center of every single part of it. Same lunch table since 5th grade. Same walk home since 4th. Kie, I finished the drawing. The one of us at the spring festival. Come Luna. This is us. You drew us. I'm keeping this, it's just us being us. That's the whole point. Monday. The new student arrived with the kind of energy that fills a room immediately.
Everyone, this is Zara. She's joining us from Westfield. Make her feel well.
She sat next to Luna in art class. Kie was across the room.
That's incredible. Did you draw this? The line work is like, you're serious.
Nobody ever notices the line work. Nobody ever. How did you even see? Kie watched them talk for 15 minutes. She finished her own drawing without speaking. At lunch, Luna saved 3 seats. Kie. And then Zara. To herself, it's fine. She's being nice to the new girl. That's
okay, but your friendship is goals. Seriously. You two have been friends since
5th grade. She drew a cartoon of me on the first day of school. Tuesday. Wednesday. By Thursday, Kie was counting the minutes Luna. She wasn't angry. She was scared. And scared looks like cold if you don't. Texting, hey, Zara and I are going to the art supply store after school, want to come? She typed, can't tonight, homework. She had no homework. Luna's reply came in 2 seconds, okay. We'll tell you all about it, Purple Heart. The next week Kie moved through school with the kind of quiet that makes people ask if you're okay.
Okay, you have the face. The one where everything is definitely fine. What?
Everything is fine, Leo. I'm just tired.
Uh-huh. And has this tired been here since Zara started sitting with you guys?
Zara is great. Luna can have more friends. That's normal.
Okay. You know where I am if totally fine wants company.
In Luna's world, nothing had changed. She genuinely didn't understand what was to Zara. Have you noticed Kie seems quiet this week? I might be wrong.
She's been kind of off with me too. I thought maybe I said something wrong.
No, she does this thing when something's wrong. She just goes quiet. She found Kie at their spot, the bench behind the gym. Where they always went. Hey. You've been 3 feet away from me all week, but it feels like a mile. I've just been busy. It's fine. You don't have to check on me. Kie. I know when something is wrong. I drew your face 100 times. Long pause, you and Zara have a lot in common. Okay. And she's cool, Luna. She noticed your line work in the first 5 minutes. Kie. Are you scared I like her more than you? I didn't say that. You didn't have to. Kie. Look at me. You are not replaceable. You are not in a competition. There is no competition, but you light up when she talks about art. I can't, I don't talk about art like that. You don't need to talk about art like that. I don't need that from you. You remember things. You notice when I'm sad before I do. You make me Zara is new and I like her. That's all it is. She's not you. I really thought I was losing you. I sat with that for an entire week and said nothing. Kie. You are the worst at saying things when things are wrong. Yeah. I know. I'm working on it. They sat there until the light went orange. Neither one needed to move fast. But this story wasn't over. There was still the part with Zara that Kie hadn't thought through. You know Zara's been wondering if she said something wrong to you. She feels bad. She thinks she did something. Luna, she didn't do anything. I know. You do. The next morning felt like walking into a room after rearranging all the furniture.
At her locker, "Hey Kie. How's the project going?"
Hey, actually, can I say something? I've been weird this week and it wasn't about—
I figured it probably wasn't. But I still wasn't sure. It's kinda nice to hear.
It was me being scared of something dumb. It's handled now. Anyway,
In my defense, the line work was exceptional.
Luna found them both at her locker and did not play it cool at all. Oh my gosh, are you two? I am not crying in a school hallway right now. Luna. You are absolutely crying in a school hallway right now. It's fine, these are happy tears, there's a difference, Kie.
I have been here 8 days and I already love this place.
Something settled in Kie. Not fixed, just honest. An honest art class. The three of them at the same long table for the first time.
Kie, serious question. Luna says you notice things. What do you see in this?
The girl on the left is trying to look like she doesn't care what the other one thinks. But
That's exactly it. That's exactly what I was trying to draw.
whispering, I told you she notices things. I can hear you, Luna.
Sliding into the doorway, are you guys having a thing? Why wasn't I invited to the thing?
Leo, this is not history class. Back to the correct building.
From the hallway, tell me everything later.
That afternoon they walked home, all three of them. Kie in the middle. For the record, you two are both impossible and I would not change a single thing.
I've been here 9 days and somehow you're already my people. That's weird, right?
That's Luna's thing. She finds people who belong together. She's been quietly embarrassed. Kie, oh my gosh, stop. Nobody gets replaced. The people who love us don't have less room when more people arrive.